What's up, YouTube? I'm Super Dan Shoeman. Welcome back. I've got another video for you today. This is what I'm hoping will be, I'm thinking will be the second installment of my Memory Lane trades. I've traded with them before, but it was before I was really making YouTube videos. So this will be the second video of Memory Lane trades. Shout out to Memory Lane, Atlanta and Douglasville. They're always good to me. I love the guys in there and girls. Always like to go in there and chit chat, say hey, and it's even better when I get to pick up a pair of shoes. But first, I want to talk to you about the prodigal son. So raise your hand if you've heard of the prodigal son. Thank you. I think most people have, and it's just about how this son asked for his father's inheritance, or the inheritance that was supposed to come from his father. He said, "Father, I mean, I kind of wish you were just dead. I just want your money, you know, so give it to me now so I can just go." He went and wasted all the money. Didn't have any money left. I mean, just squandered it. I think that's the word. Squandered it all on, you know, stuff that he wanted, worldly stuff that he wanted and then he finally decided, I'm going back. Like, maybe my dad will let me be his servant, and it'll be a better life than what I have right now, because he had nothing at that point. And the father was like sitting there watching, waiting for him to come back. And that's just a wonderful picture of how when we stray away from God, he's always like right there, just waiting for us to turn around and come back. Like it says the Bible says the Father saw him from way off. Like our Father, our Heavenly Father, sees us the moment. I mean, it sees us the whole time, but is right there the moment that we turn around. But we always forget about. I think I've always forgotten about. So I just assume most people do. Forgot about the other brother, the other son. Did you know the other son, Haley?
Okay,
there's another son.
Let me take it. Is this the same story where there was two sons and one did everything right? It's kind of like Cain and Abel, but like the one did everything right while the other one went and spent all his money, and then he came back and they had a party.
Yes,
and then
that's
that
the
other
prodigal son.
son.
It's not Cain and Abel. It's the prodigal.
No,
son.
I know, but I'm saying it's kind of like how he
was there the whole time. He stayed doing his sonly duties. Right. Just helping his dad out at the house or the palace or whatever, because he was rich. So the other son, once the dad, you know, is celebrating that his prodigal son has returned, the son who wasted all the money, he's celebrating it and wants to have a party and kill the fattened calf, which is like a big deal. The other son was upset about it. And this is what he says. I'm going to start, and this is Luke 15. I'm going to start in verse 29. And he said, "All these years I've been a slave for you, and never once refused to do a single thing that you told me to do. And all that time you never gave me even one young goat for a feast with my friends. Yet when this son of yours comes back after squandering your money, you celebrate and kill a fattened calf." Like, and I think we can all relate to that, right?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, of course. His father said to him, "Look, dear son, you've always stayed by me, and everything I have is yours. When we had to celebrate this happy day for your brother was dead, and now he's come back. He was lost, and now he's found." I think we always, not always, I'm talking about myself just as much as anyone else. And again, I just assume that most people have similar thoughts than I do. Like, we always look out and see what God is doing for other people and think, why isn't he doing that for me? Because I'm faithful in some way or another. And that really is just as much of I'll call it a sin as anything else, because God is showering us with gifts all the time, because we're right there in his presence all the time, and we fail to notice it, maybe because it's just normal for us, you know?
Yeah.
And he's like, you've been here the whole time. Like, you have everything. If you wanted the fattened calf, you could have just gotten it because it's yours.
Yeah.
And like, he just wasn't even noticing where he was. He didn't even know his position. Like, he had his position, and I guess he knew his title, but he didn't really know his position. And I think we forget that frequently. I forget that frequently, that I'm a son of God, called by his name. We'll talk about that later. I need my notes from, that was Pastor Amy. Yeah, Pastor Amy, this past Sunday, because it was a good word. Called, that really stuck with me. So that'll come later. Thanks for listening. Now, let's get on to this shoe. This is a trade from Memory Lane. This was the other one. Showed you this. I traded Patent Breads and Red Thunder 4s, neither of which were my only pair of those. Neither of which were my only new pair. Neither of which I really wanted to wear. Kind of do want to wear this, but also this is 9 years old, ever so slightly used, which means I will probably actually wear it because it's used. And this one is too. I traded both of those for both of these, and I got money back. But also, I think it's because, I mean, I got a better deal that way, slightly better, than just paying cash for it. But also, like, I feel like I really want these shoes in my collection, whereas other shoes that I've seen, or the patent breads, I have a pair that I've worn a bunch. It'll stay in the collection. I don't necessarily need another one, even though I do have
enough.
On ice. And the Red Thunder 4s, I've got more on ice. Those are probably not staying around either, though. But this is one that I really wanted in the collection. Well, this was kind of my second choice. Again, this is used. We got a damaged box. Whatever. What's in this box, Haley?
A Jordan 1.
Jordan 1, yes. Oh, never mind. And this one.
Man, you really just got the 2 best shoes you could.
All right, listen.
Proud of you.
All right, this is not the original box, because this has Jordan 1 High Retro OG Baroque Brown Racer Pink Black.
Ooh, that sounds beautiful. I know that's not what you got.
That's not what the shoe is, though.
But so, it sounds pretty.
This is a replacement box. I don't really care because I plan to wear this shoe, but I got this shoe. Haley, you'll see why. We're going to do this, unbox this one similarly to how we unboxed this one. I thought Haley was going to be pretty excited about this one, which she wasn't. I don't think she's going to be nearly as excited about this one. But I think she will understand why I got it once we see it.
Okay.
Ready? Shut your eyes. All right. Haley's eyes are closed. Wait. We'll give the camera a good look at this. I don't think these are stock. These probably were. Ooh. All right, let's take a look.
Ooh, I like that. I actually like the.
I like the laces.
The laces? Oh, I definitely like the laces.
What do you not like?
No, I wasn't saying I don't like. I was saying I might like those more than I like those, but it's actually maybe I don't think I do.
I do.
I think I just like the 4s.
I think I like these better, but I wanted these are the Court Purple 2.0s. I wanted the 1.0s. The 1.0s, I think it's the lace stays and all the mud guard is black, and this is the only part that's purple.
I definitely like those more.
This?
Than what you're describing, yeah.
Where this is black? No, this is purple, and all of this up here is black.
Yeah, I'm saying I definitely like the ones you have.
You like more purple?
Yes.
Oh, okay. I want the 1.0s, and I'll still try to get the 1.0s. There's still some other shoe, huh?
Isn't that what you have up there, just low?
That's like the 1.0.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
More like the 1.0, yeah. That's more like the 1.0.
These are gorgeous.
They are. There's a big scuff here. I didn't notice. Yeah. But these are used. The bottom is less used than these. Let's see when these were produced.
I'm calling 2017.
I think you might be right.
See. I did my research. I'm just kidding.
Oh my gosh. I tried the other one on. This is a size 10.5. Okay, this is the right size box, or box size, but this is a size 10.5 because that's what they had. Oh my gosh. All right, I'll put it up here. This is the year.
Was Haley right? I think so.
Comment down below if Haley was right with 2017. It might have been 2018.
I almost said that too. But,
yeah, but
I decided.
But you didn't. But you didn't. But I like the materials on this a lot. This is a decent leather white leather on the toe. The purple leather is really good. I mean, this is just an all-around good shoe. I like everything about this shoe. The colors are great. I like purple.
I agree.
You agree that I like purple. That's
I mean, I agree that they look really good.
The tongue tag on these is a little different.
It's like fat.
Yeah, it's like leather.
And it's like a ski jacket.
It's like leather. You don't get leather on ones. Where's a normal pair of ones? Do I have a normal pair of ones?
I don't think we do.
I just got.
Oh, you have the one right behind you, the UNC.
Yeah. This is just nylon, like the tongue.
Oh, that's what you're talking about. I was just talking about the whole thing.
No, this is a nylon tongue. This is a nylon tongue, but it's the.
Why did I've never realized it looked like ski jackets until right now. Like puffer jackets. Yeah. Ooh, sorry.
So I had my Bordeaux's. We're sitting here. Got rid of the Bordeaux's the other day. I traded those because you'll need to stay tuned for the upcoming, or maybe you've already seen them, trade block trades. My very first trade block trade is on its way to me right now. I think it's supposed to get here tomorrow. Today's Monday, February the 21st. My first trade block trade will get to me tomorrow. I'm excited to make that video. It's a very interesting trade, good story. So I need to share it with y'all. Actually, you'll probably see that before you see these. Before you see this, at least. Maybe, I don't know. But I really like this shoe. I'm probably gonna end up wearing this a lot because it's my birthday. For real, for real. Haley was just commenting. I made it a little. I have a little whiteboard.
Yeah. It's actually on the floor right there.
I have a little whiteboard.
It's dirty.
Yeah, everything's dirty down there. There's just so much stuff in here, and it's a fairly small room. I don't really clean it like the rest of the house. So I just picked stuff up like the other day, and now I've got boxes everywhere.
I just wonder why there's so much Legend hair in here. Legend doesn't even come in here.
It comes in our feed.
Oh, yeah, I guess that makes sense.
But this was a used pair. Like I said, I get a good deal on a used pair. And if I get a used pair, I'm much less likely to sell it, much more likely to keep it. So let's get some shoes to wear. And I don't know when I'll wear these. Probably soon. But, you smell it?
No.
All right. Right now, I've still got another, this is one video. These are both the same shoe, our twinning pairs. Somebody commented on the Cardinals. Somebody commented on the Cardinal video that they thought it was really cute that Hesper and I did that video together and that we get twinning shoes. And I'm getting rid of my Cardinals. We're not going to twin with those, but we have plenty to twin with. I mean, we'll go for this for y'all. For the red glow. We can twin that way.
Yes.
We can twin that way.
Yes, I agree.
But again, this is another twin video. I still got this one to make. I got 2 trade blocks coming to make videos on. I've got some Yeezys coming, which you probably will have already seen the Yeezys by the time we get this video out. What else? Oh, this is great. Jordan 6 UNC shock drop today. W. I got hit on those. They're on the way. But I actually think I'm going to get a pair to make a video on before that. Thanks, Miguel. He probably already texted me. It's probably on my phone. I just need to take a look at it. But tell me what you think about these Jordan 1 High OG Core Purple 2.0s. Tell me if they're just trash compared to the 1.0s. I like the 1.0s better, I think. But actually, I'd probably just rather have both of them. So let's just do that. Let's just go with that. But tell me what you think about these. Rate the 2. Which one's better? Do I really need to get the other one? Should I just get rid of this if I get the other one? Because they are basically the same thing. As far as the fit goes, they're the same, right? Fit. You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
The outfit.
Oh.
Come on.
I thought you meant like the fit of the shoe, like how it fits.
Well, of course, it's the same fit. That kind of fit. We're talking about
the drip. The drip.
Yeah, the drip, the fit.
Yeah.
Oh, we were talking about the whiteboard.
What are you pointing at?
The whiteboard. I had the whiteboard up back there and it fell.
On
but
me.
The whiteboard had, yeah, well, she's recording. But the whiteboard had quotes or sayings or, no, don't go down there anymore.
It's funny.
The whiteboard had quotes and sayings and stuff like that. Stuff that I should be saying. Like I went into, I just saw this one down there, but I went into memory lane and finessed these.
It's funny because I looked at it as soon as you said it.
Haley's head just dropped. What else do we have down here? Like, I finessed these because they slap, you know. But it was supposed to be back there, and it's kind of smudged all off now. I need to go redo it and make sure that I'm speaking the language of
the millennials.
The millennials.
Are we even millennials?
I don't know.
I don't either.
Whatever the hip crowd is that likes these shoes and watches these videos nowadays. And for me, I think, like, either way, whether it's for the people who actually talk like that watch these videos, or I really think a lot of the people that watch the videos are more like my age, and they just think it's cringy, and it's kind of entertaining to watch.
Okay.
So let's just go with that. Either one.
Yeah.
They both work. What else?
Stop it. Stop it.
I mean, I just do it for the vibes, you know.
Yeah, that was better than what I thought we were about to say. I did not want you to pull up. Yeah, stop.
I came up with that one because of another YouTuber gamer that said it, and I just thought it was.
So you didn't come up with
glorious words. Yeah, but it didn't come from you, is what I'm saying. Because you don't.
None of those came from me.
Yes, they did.
What did that come from me? Oh, yeah, that did come from me.
Somebody at work said it the other day that their kids call her instead of mommy or mom, their kids call her bruh more than anything else, and Haley definitely calls me bruh more than anything else.
I do it in a joking way. I don't think I've ever said bruh in a serious way.
I mean, it's not disrespectful.
Oh, no,
I don't think you're being disrespectful. I would rather you just call me daddy, but
either way.
Yeah, but bruh, it'll do. I'm not upset about it. So, but comment down below. Let me know what you think about these. Smash that like button. Make sure you're subscribed and that you've rang the bell because I make videos almost every day. Almost every day. If you're not getting notified of my shorts, go to my channel and watch the shorts because I got a lot of shorts on there too. And it's weird. Some of them get like no views, and then others are still getting views from months ago. It's really weird. I need to understand this. Huh?
Come on, YouTube.
Yeah, I need to understand this algorithm thing. One thing I know is that if you smash the like button, actually just sit and watch this video, YouTube likes it and shows more people. So please do that for me. I appreciate that support. Smash the like button and watch it. Just watch it. And of course, tell your grandma. And I'll see you next time.
You're so pretty.
Say bye.
Choose. Ah! Shoes. And I like shoes.
Fire!